Hello everyone, you are watching the Raspberry Pi Pico tutorial series using the ultimate Raspberry Pi Pico kit, the Sunfounder Kepler kit. If you want to buy a kit to follow along, check the link in the description. Our first tutorial is going to be very basic. We are just going to control an LED by turning it on and off. This is a simple but yet fundamental task. To follow along with this tutorial, you will need the following: a Raspberry Pi Pico or Pico W, a breadboard, one single red LED, one 220 ohm resistor, and also some wires. This is a circuit diagram for this tutorial. Make all the connections as indicated. Make sure about the orientation of the LED, that the longer leg pin, also known as the anode, is correct. After making the necessary connections, you should have a circuit that looks like this. Now on my website, copy the following block of code and paste it in Phony. If you have never used the Raspberry Pi Pico before and this is your first time using it, I would suggest you pause this video and go watch this video first, where I show you how to get started with the Raspberry Pi Pico. In the first line, we use the MicroPython machine module to import the pin class. The machine module contains specific functions related to the hardware on our Pico. The pin class we can use to control our GPIO pins, which we can set the mode of the pin as an input or output. We then import the time class that will give us functions like the time and date, measuring time and intervals, or to set up delays. We then create a variable called LED, which we will use to set up a pin object on pin 15, and we set this as an output. We then create an endless loop, which we turn the LED on by setting the value to 1, and then we wait 2 seconds and then turn the LED off by setting the value to 0, and then wait another 2 seconds before the loop repeats itself. Uploading this code to the Raspberry Pi Pico, we get the following result. By changing these two delays, we can change the time the LED is on and off. For example, here we set the LED to be on for 0.5 seconds and off for 0.1 second, which gives us the following results. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to see more tutorials, then make sure to subscribe, and if you want to go read up on the tutorials that's about to come, you can go check on my website. I will see you in the next tutorial.